Good morning, it's Kate at Elite, and today I'm up at one of my favourite villas, Villa Goldeneye. This is a very large villa, actually over 3 floors with 6 bedrooms, so there's a lot of stuff going on in this house. It's really high quality furnishings, and we want to make sure that everything is kept to the highest standard. So today we have a professional local company come in, and they're cleaning all the rugs, the external cushions, the sofas. We'll show you inside what they're actually doing. So this isn't just due to COVID, this is something that we do anyway. It's really important that we start the season fresh and clean. Okay, so at the moment, what we're doing is cleaning the sofas, a thick pile rug. Obviously, all sorts of sand and bits can get caught up in that, and also the cushions for the sofa. These are going to be properly cleaned, and then they're going to be treated with an anti-stain spray on top of that, so that it minimises the marks throughout the year, which are invariably, they will happen, but it will mean that we can keep the sofa looking its best throughout the year.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. You can see more content on our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.elite-rentals.net, or you can come and see us in the office.